Greetings, folks. It's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to do a product overview for you guys on this is the Concept 2 Air, and this is going to be a combination wood and coal cook stove. I like this model because it has a variety of options. For example, with your flue, you can do a top vent, you can do a rear vent, and you could also order the stove to have a side vent over here as well. And all of that is going to be interchangeable right on site. There's not a lot of other products on the market that offer this side flue exit. So if you have a unique installation where you want to go out the side and don't want to have to use a bunch of elbows to make that happen for an offset, that this is an excellent option. So pretty cool product on that. I do like that it has the ability to burn wood and coal for a couple of reasons. If you have access to good hard coal in your area, coal can be a really great way to get some excess BTUs and also longer burn times to your wood fire. Also, any product that's going to be rated to burn coal is going to have a couple of different features. Number one, it's going to be rated to burn at hotter temperatures, okay? So it's always nice to have a product that can withstand nice hot temperatures. The other thing about it is that you do have the combustion air coming in from underneath the firebox. Some wood-only products will only bring like the air down the front of the glass, and it's really nice to have that combustion air coming up from underneath the fire because it makes it a lot easier to get started. So we'll take a look at this. This is going to be a left-hand flue model. You may notice it looks a little bit different because our firebox is located over here on the right-hand side. You can order a left or a right-hand flue. The flue will always be located above your baking oven. So this will change which location your firebox and oven is on as well, along with the flue choice. This model does have the ability to connect into an outside air kit here, located on the back, so that can be a nice option. If you are in a mobile or manufactured home, then it is required to have outside air. Also, if you're in like a very tightly insulated home, solar passive home, it's really nice to have the outside air kit so you don't get that negative pressure effect. This can also happen if you have a lot of exhaust fans in your home as well, so that is something to keep in mind. This model is going to be shown with the stainless steel front corners, so this would be called the stainless steel model. The corners are stainless, the trim here, and then your side panels are actually going to be black. We do have this model available in a gray color as well, in which the side panels would be gray. The gray would also wrap around the front, but then the top of the cooktop here would also still be the stainless. You do have the ability to order this model with a ceramic glass cooktop as well, if that is something you are interested in. Otherwise, it will come standard with a steel cooktop here, and then it does have a removable lid above the firebox. So if you wanted to take that out and do some wok style cooking, you can do that. This is going to be a clean face model. So you get this tool and you use this tool to open up the doors, but it's not actually like a handle. There are no handles on the front of the door. So keep that in mind. This is how you're going to open it up. And I'll show you guys inside this baking oven. We do have a nice big baking oven here. It does come with just one single oven rack. The oven door is going to be fully gasketed as well. It is a pretty tight fit here. Boop. You pop it in, and then on our firebox, I'll go ahead and open this up. Your firebox is going to have a cast iron grate in the bottom, so again, you can burn coal if wanted. The remainder, the sides, the rear, you do have a fire brick lining. This is going to be fully gasketed as well. You do have your ash pan located directly below the unit. You're going to have three controls on this particular model. You have your primary, you have your secondary, and then you do have your oven damper control as well. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget to share them with a friend, share them with somebody who you think would be interested in this content. It really helps us out when people share our information. We don't really do like paid advertising or anything, so we rely on word of mouth through our customer base. Also, as always, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.